Hi, welcome to Nana's channel. You will see her open toys, dance, and sing. You count how many? Count.
1, 2, 3,
All of those
4,
Ryan's World.
5. There's
Oh.
5 of Ryan's World.
Okay. And then what's the other three? What are the other three?
Hi, this is my channel. Today I'm gonna open Ryan's World toy.
Finally, you bought something from Ryan. Oh, this is the second toy you bought from Ryan, right?
Yeah, because I already bought the squishy, the gill, and the Gus, and the airplane, and now I bought.
Yeah, no, this is the third toy. We bought the airplane. We did not unbox that, right?
Yeah.
And then there's another. Before that, you after the airplane, you bought something else too.
The squishy.
The squishy. Now we got this.
Bye!
Ryan's mini. Ryan's mini. How many?
Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall.
How many? How many? How many again? How many again? How many figures?
1, 2, 1, 2. I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. Woohoo! Now let's open it up. Let's open it up. Let's open it up.
There's always tape.
Let's open it up.
You
Okay. You need my help.
need my help, grown up.
There's always a tape around it.
Yeah, you
open
need
it.
my help, grown up.
There you go.
Maybe there's a surprise under.
I'm not sure.
Maybe. Maybe there's a surprise in the button.
Okay, pull them out. Let's see how it looks like. Yeah, it's easy. Yeah, pull this thing out. There. We got many figures.
Yeah.
Nothing more. It's just the figures. Now you have something to play with your Legos. And oh! He jumped. He's more than excited than you. Here. Oh! He jumped again.
Whoa!
Oh. There.
Whoa! Let's. This is Ryan's World. This is Ryan's World.
That's Ryan's World.
So let's count how many Ryan's World.
Okay.
1, 2.
You count how many? Count.
1, 2, 3, 4.
All of those Ryan's World.
5. There's
Oh.
5 of Ryan's World. It's-
Okay. And then what's the other three? What are the other three? You have Ryan himself here.
No, it's red
Ryan.
piping. Look.
Yeah. Okay.
Too many characters.
And what's this one? What's this one? What's this one? Oh, you can even remove his head hair too. This is like Lego.
Like,
That's a Robin.
no, that's not Robin.
And he's got some pizza here. Pizza Ryan.
Sorry.
Okay, that's it. Bye.
There's a shop.
Thanks for watching.